Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Mission Planner and run it as administrator so permissions are correct. Plug the vehicle or telemetry into USB, then select the matching COM port and set 115,200 baud. This is the typical default. Once done, close any competing ground control software and verify drivers are present so the OS recognizes the device. These early checks avoid connection errors and speed the rest of. Now you establish the live link and handle the detailed middle steps. Open Mission Planner and go to the flight data screen. This provides the HUD and status messages. Select the COM port and baud, then press Connect. Watch the lower right status for the handshake. You should see a heartbeat, parameters start downloading, and GPS status update. If parameters load, keep an eye on sensor calibration prompts, because Mission Planner often requires confirming or rerunning them before proceeding. Finish by completing calibrations and validating control paths so you can fly safely. Run accelerometer and compass calibrations, save parameters, then test outputs, use prop guards or do bench tests before any flight. Once done, perform a controlled hover or commanded servo move to confirm responsiveness. If anything fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap the USB cable and port, then reboot Mission Planner and the flight controller. Often a simple power cycle, and cable swap restores the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.